Want to see some love? It's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
All right, people, so what you want to do when you first get these earbuds is you want to download the Soundcore app, which is right here. You connect this via Bluetooth. You open this app up and it'll ask you if you want to connect the new device. You just hit yes and you'll get this image right here. And here is the main screen of the app. So at the top right, this is like customer service. Really not going to talk about that, but you have all these frequently asked questions, support topics, and stuff like that right here. Let me get out of here. Underneath that, you will get your left and right battery percentage. Under that, you get your sound effects. And this is where you can adjust the different sounds. So you have Soundcore Signature, Bass, Volume Booster, 3D Surround, and Customize EQ, where you can adjust your highs, mids, and lows and have various custom setups at the bottom if you want to have it set up for different, like if you listen to a podcast or you listen to music or you're watching a movie, you want different settings, go ahead and adjust different ones and save them at the bottom. You also have your controls right here. So you have the ability to turn these off completely at the top right. So if you're wearing a hoodie or something like that, a hat, and you don't want to get accidental touches, not a hat, but like a beanie, and you don't want to get accidental touches, just turn that off and you just control everything from your phone. So obviously you have your left and your right controls right here. So under both of those, you have single press, double press, and press and hold. Under single press, you have volume up, volume down, next, previous, play, pause, and voice assistant, which is the same thing under double press as well. Press and hold, you only have volume up, volume down, voice assistant, and you can change it to none. And at the bottom, it says for the calls, it is not adjustable. A single press will answer your phone call, and the double press will you decline your phone call, and you have a reset button at the bottom as well. And one thing I did notice when I was messing with these, that these aren't touch surfaces. These are actually touch buttons, so they're physical buttons that you press down, which is better in my opinion when it comes to buttons on earbuds. I like to have physical buttons that actually touch and not a touch surface with some haptic feedback. I actually like touch buttons. Underneath controls, you have dual connections. This is where you go in and you set up your multi-connection right here. For the people that don't know what multi-point connection is, what you can do is hook these up to your mobile device and let's say a laptop at the same time. So if you're watching a movie on your laptop or tablet and your phone rings, it'll switch over to your phone. Once you're done with your phone call, it'll switch back over to your laptop or tablet. Multi-point connection in a nutshell. You can turn that off and on if you don't like that. You have your low battery prompt underneath that, and you also have your update firmware and serial number. Now, since these are open air earbuds, you do have less options in here. Normally, you'll get a lot more options. I would like to have seen maybe Soundcore put in like some nature sounds or something like that. I've seen them do that before, but this is pretty much like the bare minimum what they'll do when it comes to an app. And like I said earlier, the main things I look for is just your sound effects tab and also your controls tab. As long as I have those two things, I'm good money. And that's my full rundown of the Soundcore app with these Soundcore C40i open ear clip-on earbuds.